Now this comment may look fun and innocent, but given the context, this comment is replying to a video talking about concentration camps used on Palestinian civilians. Not cool. And as we all know, somewhere in the TikTok terms of service, it clearly states that the OSINT enforcer is to clean the platform from these people when the TikTok moderators are too busy expanding their headquarters with galvanized square steel. Opening his profile, I saw that he had a private account with no distinguishable information in it. He had this one video showing that he changed his profile picture, and that's it. And let's just say the comments on there were not very friendly. So if I want to clear TikTok of his presence, I would need to instill intimidation. And as expected, he replied smugly, not thinking I can find him. I don't blame him though, I would have done the same. I started by searching for his username on different websites and social medias, and there was absolutely nothing, except this Pinterest profile, which led me nowhere and gave me a random name. All I had was this profile picture and a video showing the date he changed this profile picture. What I also got from his profile is 1977, which I thought is probably his date of birth, meaning that he could be around like 45 to 46 years old. I reverse image searched his profile picture and I found this Instagram post, which shows the dog dressed to support the Texas Rangers team. And what caught my eye is that he changed his profile picture the same date this image was posted. So this shows that our target is an active Texas Rangers fan, which probably means he either is from Texas or lives in Texas. But what's really important here are the comments. If he went out of his way to make it his profile picture, then there is a good chance that he also left a comment on this post. So I saved the accounts of all the people who commented on this post at the same day it was posted, and I put them all in a list to check. And by the way, the software that I'm using to keep track and take notes is called Obsidian. It's free and it's pretty cool. I found this Instagram profile that commented on the same day, and I got excited when I saw the number 1977. But given the context, that wouldn't be his date of birth, so I left it aside for now. Then I found this commenter who was very enthusiastic about the dog photo, so I thought that it could be him, but opening his profile there was really nothing to go on, except the name, and some other information which I'll just hide for a little privacy. So I searched up the name on Google and I found his LinkedIn, and it shows that he lives in Hodgenville, I don't know how to read it, Kentucky, United States. Which made me doubt that he is snooker because he's not living in Texas, but I kept looking. Then I searched his name on Facebook, and here is where my assumptions were confirmed. He has multiple photos posted showing support for the Texas Rangers, and among them is the exact same photo he has as his profile picture on TikTok. I have gotten. But having his name and face alone aren't good enough. I wanted more. I wanted to get him off the platform for real. So I kept searching his name on Google, and with a bit more searching, I hit the jackpot. fastpeoplesearch.com. And why does this website have everything about him? I got his full name, including his middle name. I got his phone number, his iCloud email, his family and relatives, and his past and current addresses. So now, it was time to confront him to see his reaction. He could either A, delete his account or my comments, or if I got the wrong person, laugh hysterically at my comments. And can you guess what he did?
What do you think? I make mistakes?
No. And with that, there is one more crazy boomer Karen man-child out of the TikTok comment sections, thanks to me, of course. Okay, so this is editing me now. So basically, he did actually delete his account at the time, but he reactivated it. But this time, he removed the comments from the video, like hid the comments because that's where I confronted him, and he blocked me on my other account. So, yep. At least I successfully found him and scared him, I guess. Also, please do not go out of your way to search for him and harass him. I think he learned his lesson. Anyway, thanks for watching, and do tell me if you enjoyed the video or learned something regarding OSINT methods. Or you could tell me how I could have improved my search, because I'm just starting out and I have no idea what I'm doing. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.